Okay, today we'll be dealing with negative numbers. That's foundation on the foundational level. Okay, so let's start with this. Now, if I say 5 minus 2, of course, 5 minus 2, from that means you're taking 2 away from 5. So if you're taking 2 away from 5, 5 minus 2, you get add 5, take out 2. What do you have? You have 3 left. That's good. That's very good. But what if I say 2 minus 5? Now, if I say 2 minus 5, now you have to take away 5 from 2, right? And if you say you take away 5 from 2, it's like you have, let's say you have 2 circles. Let's count 1 circle, 2 circles. Now, I want to take away 5 circles from it. Of course, it's not up to 5. We can't take 5 away from 2. So this, of course, is going to give you what we call in math. Now, somebody can say it's impossible. Yeah, you are correct in a way. Yes, it is. It is actually not possible to take away 5 from 2. So you are correct. But in math, we can have what we call the negative number. So instead of us using the word it is impossible, we would say negative number, negative number. So we'll say negative. Negative, we'll use n and n, negative number. So it's better we just say negative number. So when we say 2 minus 5, it's not possible to take 5 from 2. So you say negative number. So we don't use the word impossible, right? So I teach you to just use the word negative number. It's going to give you a negative number. Now, there's an actual negative number it's supposed to give to you, but don't worry. For now, just say negative number. Okay? So let's look at some other examples. If I say 12 minus 8. Now, 12 minus 8, of course, that will give you what? 4. You have 12, you take away 8, that will give you 4. But if I say 8 minus 12, wow, 12 is more than 8. So you can't take away 12 from 8. So it's going to give you a negative number. A negative number. So we use the letter N for negative, N for number, negative number. I hope you understand. So when you have a smaller number, when you're taking a bigger number from a smaller number, you have a negative number. But if you are taking a smaller number from a bigger number, of course you have this. So let's look at more examples here. Say we have 1 minus 3. Of course, 1 minus 3, you can't take away 1 from 3. Rather, you can't take away 3 from 1. 1 minus 3. If you have 1, can you take away 3? No. So it's going to give you negative number. So please, I hope you understand this. Now, if I say 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0. What's 4 minus 0? 4 minus 0, you have 4. Take away 0. 0 means nothing. So when you say 4 minus 0, that means don't take away anything from 0. So if I say 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0, if I have 4 and I don't take anything out of it, I will still have 4. So 4 minus 0 will give me 4. You get that? So 4 minus 0 will still give me 4. So there's this. But what if I have 0 minus 4? No, 0 minus 4. I have 0 means I have nothing. Now I want to take away 4. Can you take away 4 from nothing? No. So it's going to give us negative number. Negative number. So you have to take note of this. It's very, very important you understand this. So when you have, let's do 3 more examples before I leave you to do the classwork, which I'll give to you. Let's say you have 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Because if you have 6, you can take away 5, you get 1. But if I say 5 minus 6, that, of course, 6 is more than 5. You can't take away 6, that'll give you negative number. If I say, one more example before I go, if I say 0 minus 9, you can't take away 9 from 0. I mean, nothing, take away 9, so that also give you a negative number. So instead of us using the word, instead of us saying impossible, we say negative number. Just a mathematical way. You will understand later what this means. But for now, this is what you have. So make sure you understand, you know this, and when you are giving answers to your questions, your answer should either be the positive number, like you know the number 6 minus 5 is 1. It should give you a number, or a negative number. Or you could have, if I say 6 minus 6. Now, 6 minus 6, in this case, you have 6, you are taking away 6. What will it give you? 0. This is not negative number, please. Because if I have 6 pencils and I give out, somebody takes out the 6 pencils, I will have nothing left. Nothing means 0. 0 means nothing. 0 is not something, it is nothing. 0 is not something, it is nothing. So whenever you hear 0, whenever you do something and you get nothing, that's 0. So if I say 8 minus 8, if I say 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8 will give me 0. And if I say 0 minus 0 should also give me 0. So you can, if you need to, you can watch this over again if you need better understanding on it. Thank you.